Pi Day is celebrated every year on March 14th, 3/14, to honor the mathematical constant pi, which represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. The value of pi is approximately 3.14159, making March 14th the perfect date for the celebration. The day was first officially recognized in 1988 by physicist Larry Shaw at the Exploratorium Museum in San Francisco. Since then, Pi Day has gained global popularity, especially among students, teachers, and math enthusiasts. In 2009, the U.S. Congress officially recognized March 14th as National Pi Day. Pi is an irrational number, meaning it has infinite decimal places without repeating patterns. It is widely used in geometry, engineering, physics, and computer science. Pi Day celebrations include math quizzes, pi recitation contests, fun activities, and eating circular foods like pies and pizzas. Many schools and institutions organize events to highlight the importance of mathematics in everyday life. Interestingly, March 14th is also the birthday of Albert Einstein, adding more significance to the day. Pi Day serves as a fun and educational way to appreciate the wonders of mathematics and its impact on the world.